Fireman ball.
Yeah, that's like a keychain. What else is in there? Why don't you just dump it out?
I got toy. I got toy one.
You got a toy one? Dump it out. Yeah. Dump it out. Need some help? Whoa. What's in there? The other way, truck.
Sucker! That's sucker.
You got suckers? Can Grandma help? Here, let me have it.
I got sucker.
Got sucker?
Got sucker.
What else was in there? What's that over there? What's that over there?
Daddy's gum.
Daddy's gum.
Open it.
You gonna open it? Candy.
Candy.
Squashy candy.
Squashy candy.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Is that everything in there?
What's sucker? What's sucker?
Alright, hold on.
And more sucker.
You got more suckers?
Got my suckers. Get out.
Well, hold on.